housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me. Can you do the motions? Rain on the housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me. Can you do me when it gets to that? Here it is. Rain on the housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me. Good. Be my echo. Rain on the housetops,
Rain on the housetops,
rain on the trees,
rain on the trees,
rain on the green grass,
rain on the green grass,
not on me.
but not on me.
Rain on the rooftops. Good luck.
Rain on the rooftops,
Rain on the trees.
rain on the green grass, but not on me.
You know the whole thing already? You are so good. I want to sing. Ready? And go.
Rain on the housetop, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
See if you can do it my way. Rain on the housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
Rain on the housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
Good. Can you keep the steady beat while you say it? Ready? And go.
Rain on the housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
Wonderful. Let's have the woodwind players. If you're a woodwind player, raise your hand. Okay, our woodwind players are going to keep the beat. Everyone else has to do the game. Ready? 2, and it's your turn.
Rain on the housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
Let's do it twice. Let's do it twice. It's so short. So it starts this way. Ready? Let's have our woodwind players, because you're so good at that. Can you do 4 of those? Ready? 2. Here we go.
Rain on the housetops, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
Let's switch jobs. Oh, twice. I'm sorry. You were right. Twice. But switch jobs. So the woodwind players get to do the steady beat. Ready? The woodwind players get to do the poem, and everyone else gets to do the steady beat. Ready? And go.
Rain on the housetop, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me. Rain on the housetop, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
Let's have the people that have their knees showing. If your knees are showing, you get to do the beat, and everyone else that have covered knees, and you get to decide what you're doing. Right? You get to do the poem twice. Ready? And go.
Rain on the housetop, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me. Rain on the housetop, rain on the trees, rain on the
Get ready to
green grass,
switch.
but not on me.
Switch.
Rain on the housetop, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me. Rain on the housetop, rain on the trees, rain on the green grass, but not on me.
Good. You have a drum. Can you pick up your drum? Let's see if the people that have covered knees can play their drum, and the people that have uncovered knees say the poem. Ready?